All right, you are welcome to this training program. You are welcome to the TikTok ads training program. As you all know, my name is Samuel Owe, and in this video, I'll be teaching you the basic of TikTok ads manager and how to start it up and set it up for your business. So all I need from you now is just 10 to 15 minutes of your time. All right, now for business owner ready to grow, whatever you say, it can be fashion, skincare, gadget, food, digital product, service, etc. This is how to find strangers that are ready to buy your product. All right, so let's swipe in immediately. Now, as you all know, my name is OS Samuel. I run TikTok ads campaign for my own products, yes, for my own digital products and for other businesses as well. And I document every single result and win, and also the losses in real time. I'm not a guru. I'm not saying I'm perfect. I'm not perfect, but with the knowledge I have and I've been using it to scale up, I can boldly say that it works for me and it can also work for you as well. So in the next few minutes, I will show you the exact method of my own TikTok ads. Then I'll be showing you exactly how you can do that for your business as well or your brand. All right. Now, imagine this. Imagine that your product in front of thousands of buyers today. Imagine that you start up that ads today and you are reaching thousands and millions of persons. You are getting massive sales. How will that change your business? Where will it take your business to? Will it increase your business? Will it increase the growth of your business, or it will reduce the growth of your business? Now, not people who follow you already, they are strangers. That is the exact kind of person who wants what you sell, found by the algorithm for a few thousands of naira while you sleep. Yes, that is just the benefit of TikTok ads. While you sleep, TikTok is already getting customers for you, getting views for you, reaching out your product to people around the world. Now, this is not hype. This is how literally people make money. So before we get to the end of this video, I'll be showing you how the TikTok ads work. Even if you are a beginner, you have no knowledge about it. All right, now what is TikTok ads and what does it actually do? Organic content is shouting in a crowded market and hoping someone will hear you. Yes, because why? When you post something organically, what you just have to do is be patient for it to go viral, and in some cases your video might not go viral. We are both aware of that. There are just some good days that TikTok will just decide to take your video viral. As an organic content, you cannot be waiting for that to make sales, right? So that is why TikTok ads is the best. Now, this is where TikTok ads comes in. TikTok ads is TikTok tapping to thousands of people interested in whatever you are selling or the product you are bringing to them or bringing on the table. Now, all you just need to do is to pay a small amount. TikTok shows your video or product to the right people. They click, message, and then buy. Simple as it is. All right. Now, the cheapest reach on the internet right now, why it lasts, you can get a CPM of 300 to 700 per 1,000 views. You can test a campaign with 5,000 naira. All right, but there's something you should know as well. You testing a campaign with 5,000 naira doesn't mean that you have to fund your ads account with 5,000 naira. The minimum amount you can use to fund your TikTok ads account is 15,000 naira. Don't worry, let's go. I will explain more on that. Now, before you start, these are the things that you'll be needing: a Gmail address, a TikTok business account, ads creative, and a small budget. Yes, and you also be needing your own TikTok account as well. So if you don't have a TikTok account, after this video you have to go and create one, then post on it, because that is where you get your ads creative from. All right, when I mean ad creatives, I'm talking about your videos that you want to use to run your ads. It has to be on your TikTok page. So if you don't have a TikTok account, go create a TikTok account and put your videos there. All right, now you can see this is some results I got from my TikTok ads, and you can see that I spent 27,000 naira on these ads and I make over 200,000 naira in 24 hours just by selling my own digital products. Yes, I sell my own digital product. You can also replicate this for your brand or for your product. It can be a perfume product, it can be a clothes business, it can be whatever you are selling. It can be skincare, whatever you are selling. You can obviously run this type of ads and gain these massive profits and sales. Now look at this other one again, the same thing. Okay, now look at this. I also spent 15,000 naira and I made 66,000 naira in less than 24 hours. All right, I have a lot of testimonials, but I don't want to share much. I don't, like I said, I just need 10 to 15 minutes of your time. So because I'll be going over to my dashboard to show you some other things as well. Now, this is not a platform, it's a strategy. Most business owners who try TikTok ads lose money, not because ads does not work, but because nobody showed them the right setup in setting up their target, structure campaign, and other metrics as well. So every screenshot you saw from me came from these four things: right audience, the right campaign, the right budget, and knowing when to scale. All right, now TikTok ads mastery program. Yes, this is where it gets tough. This is where it gets tough. Yes, this is where you are going to decide, are you going to go further, are you going to run your TikTok ad, are you willing to spend or invest in yourself. Now you can see it, I just did a discount price of just 5,000 naira, as low as that, just 5,000 naira. Why is it 5,000 naira? Because this is a new created product, and like I said, this is massive result for me. You can see that on my Twitter page. I have lots of testimonials like that on my Twitter page because I always document my results and my progress there. All right, it's just going for just 5,500 naira for just 10 persons, and this is just a launch offer for just 48 hours. All right, now you can see what is inside the TikTok ads mastery program. You have the module 1. We have introduction to TikTok ads, setting up your TikTok ad account from scratch, your business center, and your payment method. Now some people get this payment method issue most times, in the sense that their bank card does not work. Don't worry, I got you covered. I have a good bank that you can use to fund your ads account. Now what I do on my own ads account is, I will show you, don't worry. Now module 3 is creating your first campaign. Yes, module 4, targeting the right audience, and module 5, launching and optimizing your ads. These are what you'll be getting. These are what I've done in the mentorship program. This is from my own experience. Right now, the mentorship program is not an ebook. The mentorship program is a video based mentorship program, in the sense that the way I'm doing it on my phone, you are seeing it, because once I'm doing it on my phone, I'm recording it. I'm doing a video record, a screen record. So if I'm putting my Gmail, if I'm creating my ads manager account, you are seeing it, and I'm explaining as I'm doing it. That is just how the TikTok ads mastery program is. All right, now what is this business built for? It is built for anybody: fashion, clothing, gadgets, fitness, tutorial or educational purpose, agricultural purpose, skincare, beauty, food and catering, real estate, digital products, event and decoder, etc. This TikTok ad is for everybody. Yes, it's for everybody. All right, now a quick answer as to what you'll be probably thinking: I don't have money. Yes, like I said, you can test it with 5,000 above. You need to fund your account with 15,000 naira. That is the minimum amount TikTok takes. 15,000 naira. Is TikTok as oversaturated? No, it is not oversaturated. As long as you are willing to pay TikTok is willing to push your videos. I will show you examples of analytics on my channel. Right, I have never run TikTok ads before. Yes, that is why you are getting this course of 5,500, because you have no knowledge about TikTok ads. All right, now um sorry about that. Now, TikTok ads mastery program full package. Now these are what you'll be getting: a complete beginners free setup, audience targeting and campaign setup, ads optimization, common ads problem, bonuses, which is how to create your landing page, because you're going to be needing a website. Probably you have gotten a website before, fine, but if you want a website, you are going to be needing one. Your sales page. Now you also be having access to my private student community, which is my Telegram channel. Then free future bonuses. Probably there are some updates that comes up, or there are some things I found out. I will add it to the mentorship program, so you'll be having them access for free. That by then you won't have to pay for it, because you have already paid for it before. So any new updates that I'll be inputting in on the mentorship program, you're automatically having access to it without paying for it, as long as you have paid your first payment, because the first payment is a lifetime payment. After that payment, you are not paying again. All right, now the refund policy: if within 24 hours you purchase the TikTok ads mastery program and you are not getting what you need, there is a refund policy. I'm going to be refunding your 5,500. If within 24 hours I don't give you access to the course, I don't give you access to my Telegram community, I'll be giving you back your money. All right, now like I said, just instant access just for 5,500 naira, but like I said, only for few persons, and it's just valid for just 48 hours. All right, now once you are in, you are getting access to my instant community, my private community. Instantly you are getting access to the mentorship program. All right, so let's dive in. I wanted to show you something about my TikTok ads, so let me show you. Okay, now this is one of my ads campaign that is running right now. Like I said, why the card that you'll be using to fund your TikTok account is very reliable, in the sense that you don't need to be funding your ads account. They'll be taking it from your account anytime TikTok has gotten to the amount of money that you'll be needing. Okay, let me show you an example of these ads. All right, I just hope network is good for this. Now this is my campaign. This is one of the campaign I'm running. Now I'm actually running multiple ads at the moment. Now if you can look very well, these ads are spent over some ransom of money. I think I've spent over 50k on one ads, then 30k on the other ads. I'm having a bad network. Okay, look at it. Okay, I've spent 80,000 naira on this ads. You can see it, 80,000, then 35,000. Now let's check out this one that is active. Now let me show you something. Now as you can see these ads, I'm having three active ad creative running: 5,000, 11,000, 8,000, 52,000. And this ad is giving me massive returns. Let me show you the amount of people I've gotten from this ads. This is its conversion rate, 802 persons I've gotten from this ad, and this exact 802 persons came to my DM. Nobody missed. That is the benefit of using landing page instead of the TikTok instant form. So 2,153 people clicked, 802 people came to my DM. My cost per lead, which is TikTok charged me 98 naira per one person. You can see it. This is just how TikTok ads work. So these are what you'll be learning in the mentorship program once you have access to it. Then another thing now that I wanted to show you about the funding, the business center. So let's go there. I'll show you how TikTok business center works, how funding your account works. All right, this video is about getting to 15 minutes, so I'm going to be very fast with it. All right, so like I said, this is just going for 5,500 and it's way too cheap. It is way too cheap because, like I said, it's just for 48 hours. Once it's 48 hours, the price gets back to 20,000 naira for access to this course, because I just launched it and I have been getting a lot of messages about how to run TikTok ads. Now look at it. This is how it is. Now look at it. This is the threshold, 20,000 naira. Now my card is linked to this TikTok ads account, in the sense that when TikTok is borrowing me 20,000 naira to run my ads. So once you get up to this 20,000 naira, TikTok will tell me to pay up. So they will now go and collect it from my funding account, which is from my card, my virtual card. So I don't need to come here and come and be doing ad balance. I'll come and be monitoring my account. The money inside will soon finish, so let me add money to it. No, TikTok does it automatically. Once this thing gets to 20,000 naira, they will deduct it from my account. So I don't need to stress myself. So even if I'm sleeping and the ad is running and there is no money again, then TikTok will deduct it from here. So I hope to see you in my private community. It is going for just 5,500 within 48 hours. So if you need the access to it, come back to my DM and type the word offer and I will grant you access immediately. So see you in my private community.